Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to do the player2 function. In the last video we did the player function, which allows us to move the head of the piece. In this function it allows us to allow the body to continue following the head. So if you didn't watch the last video, it's really important as this is one of the main important parts for the snake itself. So let's get started. To begin, we will have an if statement. If apple is greater than or equal than 1, variable m, which is a new variable we're adding in, equals 0, we're having a while loop while m is less than or equal to change. You might remember that from the code here. We had change 1 plus plus change is something similar, but it's not. We gotta close this braces because we don't want to create any errors that we don't want to have. Change inside the braces. We'll open this up. And we'll have an array change 1, which you saw a few seconds ago. That's from the last video. Change 1 to change minus. And with this, we'll have dot text equals 1. So we're changing it to 1. And with this, we will have the same thing, so we can copy and paste this part, but not the dot text equals 1. So copy this part, and we can paste it down below, right underneath it. And with this, we'll have a dot set on background resources. So not set on, set background resources. I dot color dot blue. Okay, now that we have that, we can do m plus plus. Now we have 3 if statements we need to do. The first if statement is if green array dot contains array change 1 minus change, and then we'll close it off. So this is supposed to be a parenthesis. And we'll have a braces. Before we put anything inside that, we're going to do the other one. So we'll copy this thing, the if statement we just made. We'll paste. Before that, we'll put else. And finally, underneath this, we'll have an else. So this else statement will be like that. First thing, in the first else, the if statement would have array change 1 minus change dot set background resources I dot color dot green 1. Underneath this, we'll have array change 1 minus change dot text equals blank. From this, we'll copy this code and we'll paste it in a in the next else if statement. In the next else if statement, we'll change green 1 to green 2. Copy this code and we'll paste it in the else statement. Open this up, we'll change green 2 to green 3. So that's it for player 2 function. It's a short function, but it's similar to being important. And this is what the function is. It continually runs until the m equals change or change equals m, and that's how it will work. Well, thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye!